southwestern Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, Manatee County in west central Florida, Sarasota County in west central Florida, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain associated with Hurricane Ian across the warned area. Between 12 and 19 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 3 to 8 inches are possible in the warned areas through 10:45 p.m. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This is a flash flood emergency for south central Sarasota County, southeast Manatee, northwest DeSoto, Pardee, and northwest Highlands counties.
Holy shit!
This is a particularly dangerous situation.
What?
Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding.
Oh my god!
Heavy rain due to Hurricane Ian is producing flash flooding.
Flash flood
Source,
emergency!
radar. Impact. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways,
Oh my god.
streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Northport, Sebring, Avon Park, Arcadia, Wauchula, Port Charlotte, Southeast Arcadia, Mayaca City, and Mayaca River State Park, Sweetwater, Zolfo Springs, Limestone, Milwaukee, Brownville, Gardner, Mayaca Head, Fort Duncan, Lake Susie, and Hidden River. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under it.
Oh my god, it cut off!
Your coastal waters.
Oh my god! Flash flood emergency for Manatee County! Oh my god!